Hey guys, today we're going to be making chicken taco soup with help from our good friend Zippy. This recipe is super simple and affordable, and it requires little prep work. It also makes a large batch, so if you like leftovers, this recipe's for you. To prepare this dish, you're going to need a large pot, a colander, a teaspoon, a can opener, a wooden spoon or any large spoon. Ingredient-wise, you're going to need one 14-ounce can of low-sodium chicken broth, one can of pinto beans drained and rinsed, one can of black beans drained and rinsed, one 12.5-ounce can of chicken breast drained and flaked, one 4-ounce can of green chilies, one can of whole corn drained and rinsed, one can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 packet of taco seasoning. Now that we've gathered all of the ingredients, let's get started. This recipe is super simple. The first step is to take all the ingredients and put them all in the large pot. The order you decide to put them in doesn't matter at all. Then you're going to mix everything until it's fully combined. Once you're done, place the pot on the stove on medium-high heat and allow it to come to a boil. Once the soup begins to boil, you're going to reduce the heat and allow the soup to simmer for 10 minutes until all the flavors are combined and everything is heated thoroughly. The only step left to do is remove the soup from the heat, serve, and enjoy. If you'd like, you can also top the soup with cheese and sour cream, or you can even serve it with tortilla chips for a crunchy addition. That recipe was so easy. I hope you guys enjoy this simple, warm, yummy chicken taco soup recipe.